Welcome to look at the implication of Mudavadi's earthquake to William Ruto, Raila Odinga, Gideon Moi, and Kalonzo Musyoka. But before I continue, please subscribe. If you are new, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up so that we grow this channel. Now, let us get into business. Now, the Musalia Mudavadi said that the ANC NDC will be earth-shaking. It will be messy, chaotic, dramatic. But today I have seen the twist, the turn, and then the movement of the tectonic political plates and the dramatic events in Bomas. So let us look at those dramatic, chaotic movement of those politicians. Now let us come to the first person, William Ruto. What are the implications, political implications to William Ruto? William Ruto here has gained. He has gained because now he has two Hoka principals who were former NASA principals, Musalia and Weta on his side. So he can now brag that he can break Hoka, he can break NASA, and he can even make the people who initially supported Raila Odinga to come to his side. That is a win for the Deputy President William Ruto. Kudos, man. Another thing which benefits William Ruto is Weta and Musalia might come up with a chunk of Western Kenya force if he works together to the head. And that one is a big plus to William Ruto's camp. Now, it becomes easy now for William Ruto to claim Western Kenya bloc. Remember, William Ruto is a smart politician. Now he can capitalize on that one, go to Western, like the way they are saying they will go on Saturday, campaign, rock everywhere, make sure Western is painted yellow. Remember, ANC has a yellow and UDA has a yellow. Another benefit to William Ruto is now he has won the perception narrative. Now, people now perceive William Ruto as a go-getter. He can get what he wants. He got Musalia and Weta on his side, so he's a go-getter. Now, people can believe William Ruto can win the presidency because he's a go-getter. He can win the presidency. Another thing which is an advantage to William Ruto is that now he has killed Oka. So meaning Mr. Kalonzo can weigh and even can follow the suit to Musalia and join him. If Kalonzo joins him, then that one will be a new story. So those are the benefits of that to William Ruto. Is there any negative thing about Musalia joining William Ruto? Yes, I have some few. I have now realized that politics is all about interest. Because Musalia Mudavadi has been saying William Ruto is a thief, is a land grabber, is what all sorts of names. But now he's working together with William Ruto, meaning politics is all about interest. So what made me, I'm disappointed with Musalia because he has now wrapped his credential of integrity and joined William Ruto's camp where there is a lot of murky waters of corruption. So meaning now Musalia Mudavadi is accepting that he wants to join Ruto Therefore, you will accept the branding of William Ruto that people say he's a thief, he's a land grabber. So by associating with William Ruto, I believe Musalia Mudavadi, because his credential always was fantastic, very clean, but now he's entering into a murky arena of UDA where there is a lot of integrity questions. NCIC is looking for some members of parliament. So that is one negative thing of Musalia joining William Ruto. He's a clean man now, he's going towards the person saying he's not clean. Another thing negative about Musalia joining William Ruto is it has confirmed that the two constant things in politics is betrayal and interest. Musalia Mudavadi now has betrayed Hawker, so he cannot claim again that he has been betrayed. He betrayed Hawker principles. So Musalia Mudavadi should shut up and he should not talk about betrayal because he is one of the betrayers. He betrayed Hawker. Number three, Musalia Mudavadi seems to be untrustworthy because he usually says he's in Hawker, but now he has moved to UDA, so he cannot trust Musalia. The way he was accusing Raila Amolo Odinga of being untrustworthy, now he's now untrustworthy to Hawker. So that is tit for tat, but that is the negative which Musalia Mudavadi will be taking to William Samoei Ruto's camp. Let us come to implication to Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga already has lost faith in former NASA principals like Kalonzo, Isaac Ruto, and Musalia. So the only thing which Raila Amolo Odinga can lose from Musalia is the votes. He will not get the votes, all the votes from Western Kenya. He will get a chunk of the votes from Western Kenya, but a significant number of those votes will go to UDA. So he will lose some votes in Western Kenya. That's one. Compared to when Musalia is on east side, he will lose some votes. One negative thing about which Musalia can bring to Raila Amolo Odinga is the perception value that now Raila Amolo Odinga has lost one of his NASA principles. That's a perception. Remember, in politics, perception is important. So that is what will happen. The perception value. He loses the perception value of Musalia. Now, what about the gains which Musalia moving to William Ruto can give to Raila Amolo Odinga? One, Western Kenya can protest by voting to Raila Amolo Odinga to teach Musalia a lesson that why are you going to where you told us not to go? That is UDA. So Musalia Mudavadi can get view votes because of protests. That is akin to Raila Amolo Odinga. Again, Raila Amolo Odinga is not a visitor in Western. Remember Mashemeji, so there is no need, there is nothing Raila Amolo Odinga will lose by Musalia going to UDA. So to Raila Amolo Odinga, there is minimal damage. I don't see. Let us come to Kalonzo Gideon. One of the major group which has been affected by Musalia moving to UDA is Oka. It is a blow to Gideon and Kalonzo because Oka now is dead. It has been broken by William Samoei Ruto into pieces. So one of the implications politically is that Oka will be dead. Now Gideon and Kalonzo should think outside the box and make their next move very fast to counter what Musalia has done today, either by joining Azimio or by joining Martha Karua and the likes. They must move very fast because time is not on their side. When Musalia has moved on, so even Kalonzo and Gideon Moi should move on also. If they are joining Azimio, of which I believe they will join the Azimio la Umoja. Another thing which Musalia Mudavadi dealt a blow to Gideon and Kalonzo again is the perception that now Kalonzo and Gideon are lone rangers because they don't have ideas, and then because Mudavadi left them. So meaning they will just left it behind, they will not know where to go, they will be in chartered waters. They are working on what you call chartered waters. And that is so serious in politics. What benefits do the movement of Musalia to Yuda give to Kalonzo and Gideon Moi? One, perception that Musalia is a betrayer. He betrayed Hoka. So people will see Musalia as a betrayer. He betrayed the Hoka principles. Another thing is they have now given Gideon Moi and Kalonzo a chance to chart their ways, their political ways, or political moves, so they can join us in Yellow Umoja. They are free to go. So those are the implications of Musalia to Kalonzo, Gideon, Raila, and William Ruto. But to Musalia himself, I do not see any benefits. Most of them will be negative because Musalia moving from Oka to UDA, that's a suicide mission. Because you cannot be the presidential candidate for that coalition. You will only become the running mate. So cannot give anything to Musalia. The only person who cane a lot is Clovis Malala. He will cane and cane. And if Musalia is not careful, he will be overthrown by Clovis Malala. He's a very smart politician, very young, energetic, and intelligent. So Musalia going to Yuda cannot gain much. He went there just because of frustration and he want to revenge to Raila Odinga. But after that, he will be used by William Ruto, and then when the deal is sealed, Musalia Tajipanga. Before I go, I want to say, please, if you're pumping on this channel for the first time, on this video, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and leave a comment. I want to read the comments. Please write for me that one comment. Say you are watching from maybe Nakuru, Eldoret, Baringo. Especially when you're watching from Baringo, be personal. I am from Baringo. Tell me where you are watching from Baringo. Thank you very much and have a nice day.